Hi everyone, this is Tech I've Learned, and today we are going to see UV, the Python package manager, why this is cool, and how you can use it if you are a beginner and you're dealing for the first time with this package. You can use this in order to, just manage your Python packages instead of using pip. And this is something I have personally tried, and it's more convenient, especially when you want to deal with the requirements, the way the dependencies are installed is pretty interesting. So just to start with, I have this little presentation for you, and this is something that you can already see um, and help you at least get an idea about what benefits you can have. For instance, you have the speed compared to pip, which is almost 5 times faster, and the resolution is reliable, and of course you can almost use also pip's command, and you can replace it. It depends on the um, libraries or packages, and of course it depends also on the versions of some Python libraries, but you can also use pip inside UV. And this is also great for caching. You can also log files in order to, for instance, if you want to dockerize some project or anything in that direction. And you can, of course, play around with various virtual environments. And this is, of course, something very convenient. Um, Before jumping with a practical use case, just wanted to give you some idea about what to do. So you need to install the UV package, and you can also create a virtual environment. And then let's suppose, for instance, that you need NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. You can use the UV pip install or UV add. This is both possible, and of course it works with popular tools like Poetry, Conda, and the pip tools. And for project management, as I said, you can manage whether with requirements.txt or with pyproject.toml. Um, Now we are going to see a practical use case and how to deal with that. Let me show you this. All right, so now we can just try to take some practical example. UV tutorial, I'm gonna name this, and this is now some random folder in Windows. Let's take the PowerShell, and now we need to install UV. For this, we will use pip install UV, and the next step would be to just create a virtual environment, UV vim, and we can use that venv scripts activate. Now we are in the virtual environment. For this, we need to initialize UV, and for this we need to use UV init. And we can use UV at pandas, for instance, and let's say matplotlib if you're a data scientist. Let's add also NumPy just for demo purposes. We can also use UV pip install, let's say, for example, TensorFlow, and this is also working that way. And we can now try to open Visual Studio Code and see what this looks like, how this is installed. So you can already notice that we have a git ignore, and we do have a uvlog file. And of course, what's most interesting in that is that we can see the dependencies right here. And this is something which is very practical in order to be able to manage and reinstall and reuse your packages. You have a main.py file. You can, of course, use another script, and it's up to you. But this is, for my understanding, this is something which is standard, which comes standard with initialization of the UV package. Now, the TensorFlow, which was installed using UV pip install TensorFlow package, has been installed. You can notice here that there is a minus sign, which refers to the fact that NumPy has been already installed. And sometimes it hangs over and or it gets stuck, so to say. So sometimes you might need this command also, which is uv cache clean. And this is really helpful, especially if it shows some conflict with some other package. You can see that we have removed 1.6 gigabytes, which has been cached for some reason. I use this especially when, as I said, there is some conflict or you can't install some package. So this was this is it with this short tutorial. I hope this is helpful for you guys. These are the basic functions that you might need whenever you're getting started with the UV package. If you have any question, any comment, don't hesitate to write it in the comment section below. Otherwise, I would be more than glad seeing you subscribed to my YouTube channel, and just stay tuned for other videos, other tutorials, and until then, happy learning.